Okay, hey everyone. So welcome back to LearnCrew, and in case if you are new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified on all the latest updates. So what are we up to today? So it is about the specialization of MCA. A lot of aspirants out there are still confused. Okay, sir, I have done my MCA, but what to do next? What specialization to choose? And which is going to be good for my future? And how do I take it forward? So to answer all these questions, I have curated top 8 specializations industry right now, which will help you to analyze which is the right path for you and how to take the call. And not to forget, those who have written your PGCET 2024, you might be having a lot of queries regarding this, and this video will exactly help you out in clarifying all these doubts to choose the perfect college and the perfect specialization, what you need to do for the next 2 years. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. And a small shout out to one of our sponsors for this video. So it is going to be ISME College of MBA and for MCA. So they are at Sarjapur and whatnot. So they are ranked the top 35 B schools in India. And here you have MCA Specializations in the ranking of 14,000. So if you are an MCA aspirant in PGCET looking further, so this college is one of the colleges to be looked around, because here you had around 150 companies visiting the campus last year and 100% placement. So those who are doing it, so do look into the ISME. I will put the details regarding it down below and you can check it out and you can call them for admissions and everything. The college code is going to be C545. I'll put it down in the description or in the video above. You can check it out. And here the fees range is going to be around 70,000 approximately. So do not worry, it won't burn your pockets much. So it is feasible and it is nearby also. So let us get into the video for today. So regarding your MCA specializations, first up we have MCA in data science and machine learning. So now the industry is evolving and the decisions which are taken are based on the data. Data is the new gold. So every company requires some person who can analyze and tell what can be done with the given data. Any prospective insights using that data will be huge boost for the company's growth. So this is going to be really a game changer for any company. And if you are choosing this specialization, it is going to be a wonderful. So this is growing, and for the next few years, yes, it will have a rapid growth. Very high perspective of jobs and very high perspective of skill also. And next up, we have your AI, artificial intelligence. So MCA in artificial intelligence, or is it not very complicated? No. These days, the companies are trying to automate most of the stuff, including your day-to-day task or whatever task is repetitive in nature, they want to automate it. And also they are building some kind of self-learning models which will adapt itself over a period of time and start giving you results. Isn't it creative? The same thing. So this field is also one of the more rapidly changing ones. If you are planning to do an MCA, please do look into this particular stream. It might have a lot of job opportunities which is growing very fast. Okay. So next up we having cloud computing. Industries or companies these days are transitioning from your traditional approach to the cloud-based systems. So obviously during this transition, there are a lot of people required in order to resolve a lot of issues and also to sort out day-to-day task issues. So which you might come in handy and you will be the best resource to help them out in. So do not look further. If you are looking a journey into cloud computing, take the step ahead and your future is bright enough. Okay. So next up we have MCA in mobile applications or web applications. So this is also one of the streams where a lot of opportunities are there in the past and also currently also. So where the apps keeps coming every day, the more the optimized app, the better the results. So do not think further, just take the step and you will be in the right path in case if you are looking for a coding job in the field of application development. Okay, it has a very high perspective of jobs, okay, in the market right now. The next up, we have cybersecurity, the most crucial part in any industry right now, because since we are handling everything on the cloud and a huge amount of data, the security is the major concern over here. Now, this particular cybersecurity, you will be the front-end defense person who will be handling all the security breaches or any kind of data theft which is going to happen. So you will be the main person looked upon in any company. So in case if you are planning for cybersecurity, the wonderful opportunity and a wonderful life ahead. So go ahead and start planning for that. No issues. Next up, we have mobile apps. Only mobile apps specifically. If you are someone who likes to develop games, apps or something like this, yes, this stream is wonderfully optimized for you. So there is a lot of growth perspective along with AI involved in it. You can make wonders. Imagine you creating an app within a minute or imagine you creating an app within a day, a complicated app also. The way you give the prompt and the way you get the output and the way you showcase it, it all depends on your skill set. So keep learning it. End of the story, let you choose any skill or any specialization of your choice. End of the day, just make sure to learn that particular skill 0 to 100% effectively. Do not waste any kind of time, or even do not think about switching to some other skill all of a sudden in between. The reason being, you have 2 years left with you in order to complete your MCA. My preference would be to complete around 4 skills. The worst case, at least 1 or 2 skills needs to be completed. So how do I plan and everything? I had also explained in the last video, where create a LinkedIn profile, go to the people whom you think are your inspirations for the next 2 years, and after 2 years you want to be like them or you want to work in that particular company. See the list of skills what they have and start noting it down one by one and make a point, which is your first skill that you want to learn, which is the second skill that you want to learn. Focus on that, finish it, do projects, send a feedback to them asking, sir, this is my project, or ma'am, this is my project. Can you just give your review on it? They will for sure let you know what needs to be done. Based on that improvement, improve it and ask again for an internship. So they might end up giving you an internship. If you excel in that, put your 100 and 200% in that, then you might be eligible for a job also. Who knows? So you might be working along with your idol or along with your inspiration. So this is the way you need to take it further. Do not think, okay, so I am joined to a college and the college will look after the placement. It's not about percentages here. It's all about the skill set, what you have, the right mindset to handle any kind of issues. So I hope this video has made some sense to you and has given some hope to choose the best specialization for you in your PGCET MCA. So do not look further, take the step and start acting. Until next time, signing off, Lakshman. Bye. बंद कर ले रे, इसको भी बंद कर ले, इसका ऑडियो मुझे भेज दो, व्हाट्सएप में भेज दो ऑडियो.